In this video, I'll show you how to create a great LinkedIn profile, increase your post impression, help you appear in the search engine, and best of all, help promote you and your skills and attract the best followers who are interested in your business. Hi, and welcome to this channel. This is my latest profile, and I made some changes a couple of hours ago, and I was shocked the impression it has given my post and how fast I have appeared in search engines. Great LinkedIn profile, attract the right customers. Let me show you how to take your LinkedIn profile to the next level. The first thing is to work on your profile photo, and not a photo from the club with your friends, you drinking, driving on the road and stuff. You need a serious photo, you alone. It's like a passport photo, something like this, or even when you are sitting in your office or working on your computer all by yourself. Now, I'll show you how to get that done. Then we will talk about the banner. First, you can use any publishing software at all of your choice. I use Canva. You need the logo template. Click on it, and you can upload your image by clicking on upload photo. Then it's gonna take you to your computer. You see how I'm facing right? If you wanna face left, just click flip and flip it, and you are good to go. When you are done, make sure you optimize it. Just say digital marketing tools space, then your brand name or your name. In this case, I'll say Blogsdom. You need more keywords. Then click on share, download, then you download it. I'm not gonna download because I've done this already. I'm gonna close it. To upload it, click on the profile avatar. In your case, there wouldn't be anything, or there might be your picture to change. Click on it. I have it here, but I don't want this. I'll just delete. There will be nothing here. Then I'll click to upload. But in this case, I'm not changing this. That's how you change it. Let me close it. Next is the banner. I have my image right to the corner, my name or your brand name, what you do, and your website link. Okay? This is not clickable really, but this is what I do. You don't have to write a lot, but at least 3 keywords, what your business is all about. Then click on the search engine and type LinkedIn banner. So click on it. This is the LinkedIn banner template, and you can customize this. And as you can tell, they have simple, nice looking banners. Just grab one of it. Let's say if I want this, I'll just click on it and click customize this template, then click and edit it. It's as simple as this. Then when you are done, optimize the title and click share, download, and download again. Move back to your profile, click over here top right. Don't worry about this pencil. When you publish, it ain't gonna show. Scroll down, change photo. Moving on is your profile information. I'm verified on LinkedIn, and this is great if you have it, but right now it's limited to US, Canada, Mexico, and India. Unless you are working for a well-known company, then you can use your company's email address to set up. Let's say you work for Apple, Google, Nike, wherever, those big people, or any company that LinkedIn recognize. Not all companies, and you'll be surprised, maybe there's a company in your country that recognize it. Just give it a try. I have a tutorial on it. I'll drop it in the description box. If you want to check out how to verify your LinkedIn account, you can check it out. So your first name, your last name, scroll down. Now, your headline. For your headline, you have to make sure when your potential customer lands on your page, it's going to tell them a bit about you. When someone lands on my page, they don't have to struggle to go read. First, digital marketer. That's what I want people to get. I'm a content creator. I'm a YouTuber at Blogsdom. Then, what exactly will this potential customer benefit from you? Even though you claim you do all these things, tell this customer something that he or she can benefit from. Because I bet you some people will read this and they will still not get exactly what you do, because these are big topics or big niches. That's why I wrote helping novice, which is new athletes, with digital marketing tools and effective marketing strategies. This potential customer knows what he or she will benefit from me. Scroll down, current position. Right now, business owner at Blogsdom. I'm the owner, but in your case, you might be a marketing agent, chief executive officer, accountant, freelancer, blogger, web designer, and stuff like that. Just type or choose whatever fits your business. Right here, the industry that I belongs to, education, just type in your school. That's how people are gonna get to know, or some people can relate or find you. Then you type in your country, and you can edit to add more information if you want. Yeah, stuff like that. Then after, you're gonna click save. I'm gonna discard it because I don't want to save it. Yeah. Then I have 2 more things to show you, and this one is very important. Please pay close attention. I'm gonna scroll down, and this is the about section. So I'm gonna click on it, and what you have to do here is to write a brief summary about your business, about your brand, your skills, and you. It's just a summary of similar to the profile info from the beginning, but this you can go into details because with the profile info you have limit, but with the about section you have 2,600 characters, so you can write a lot. Please make use of it and sell yourself, and it's basically promoting what you want your audience to know. The reason why this is so important, guess what, when people land on your page or business and brand deals, they would like to know more about you. But like I said previously, the profile info is just short, but the about section is where you can market your business and your skills. Take time, be polite, and write it according to your niche or your industry ethics. This is very important. Then you click save. I'll just close it. Now, last but not least is your profile link. I'll show you how to customize it. This is your profile link, and to customize it, just click on the pencil down here. As you can tell, this is mine, www.linkedin.com/in/Blogsdom, which is my brand name. The best thing to do, keep your brand name if that's what people know. But if you are the brand, then make sure you write your name here, whatever name you want it to appear, because this will appear in the search engine. Please make sure you type the right keyword or your name. Yeah, and let me click on it. When you click on it, to change it, if I want to edit this, I can just double click and type whatever I want to type. But the best advice is use what the public know. Don't go and create something new. If not, you'll be screwed over. And because remember, LinkedIn is a search engine, and you have between 3 to 100 characters, and I wonder who's gonna use 100 characters in their URL. That would be crazy because it's gonna be hard for people to remember. When you're done, just click save. This is a link you have to promote. Now let me show you one more thing, which is your website link. I'll show you how to add your website link. Click on this pencil under the banner, which is the edit intro. Scroll all the way down and click on edit contact info. You can add your phone number if it's good for your business. Add it. Your email address will be here. You have your own type you can select, and you can add your business address. Scroll down, then this is where you put your website link. Just drop it here. You can add other website links that you want. You can add your social media links, but remember, most social media networks don't want you to drive people off their platforms. That's why I drop only my website link. Yes, but if you have other businesses, you can add them here, which is the best way. When you're done, click save. And that's how you optimize your LinkedIn profile for a better business. I hope you've learned a lot. If you have, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. If you want to buy me a coffee, feel free. There's a link below. Just click on it and buy me a coffee. With that said, thanks for your time, but don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Check out videos on this channel and subscribe. Bye for now.